Today we're gonna bake a cake. Of course, it's a perfect chocolate cake. First, you need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then you're gonna need 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup of boiled water, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of oil. In a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. Hey, see the magic? No, just kidding. I added some sugar, flour, and also the baking soda and baking powder and the salt. But no vanilla. No vanilla. Combine them. In short, sift them in a large bowl. The same bowl we used. No vanilla. Hey, more magic. No, just kidding. I added the milk and the vanilla and the oil and the eggs, but no boiling water. No boiling water. You're gonna ruin it if you put the boiling water, by the way. Then beat it on medium speed for 2 minutes. Not with your hand, with a beater, a blender, like this. Okay? Then add the boiling water to this gooey goodness, to this cake. Don't forget, when you add it, you gotta be stirring. So when you're stirring, add the boiling water to this gooey goodness, to this batter. So you want to end up with something like this. It has to be thin, not thick. And it's not so gooey goodness, it's not so battery, but it's gonna bake, and it's gonna be delicious. Okay, let's get it to school, to the oven. I recommend you use a round pan. You can use what you use, but the important thing is you grease it. Don't forget to grease it. And then put the thin gooey goodness, the thin batter into it and take it to school, to the oven, and put it there and leave it for like 30 minutes or 35 minutes. And it should be done. Of course, let it cool, and then you eat it and finish its life. Look, my baby's in school. I'm in the oven. Booyah. This is how the cake turned out. It's really good. Tasty, and it's just scrumptious. So, bye-bye.